Breaking news just into our Way 31 newsroom this morning. The Madison County Sheriff's Office confirms one person is dead after an overnight shooting on Gibbon Drive. That's in the Harvest community. Right now, the investigation is ongoing. We are working to gather the latest details for you now.
6:54 right now. Let's take a look at some other stories that we're following as you head out the door today. Marie?
The coronavirus continues to spread across Alabama at this hour. There are nearly 8,000 cases statewide. 290 people have died from the virus, including 19 from North Alabama. More than 1,000 people have been hospitalized from coronavirus. Less than 100,000 people have been tested for the virus in this state. Rodnea?
Happening today, hospitals and medical centers across North Alabama are resuming elective surgeries following Governor Kay Ivey's Safer at Home order. This order allows elective surgeries to resume as long as health guidelines are followed. The surgeries were put on hold back in March to focus on the coronavirus outbreak. This means furloughed employees at some of the hospitals will now be able to return to work. Sierra.
In a little more than an hour, the Madison County Courthouse will open again for the first time in weeks. If you go inside the courthouse, you'll need to wear a mask, maintain social distancing, and sanitize your hands. At the same time, the Morgan County Courthouse will open. Pat.
Things much different in Marshall County. The Marshall County Courthouse will remain closed to the public for another 2 weeks. The Marshall County Commission voted to keep that courthouse closed to the public until May 18th. The chairman said that he realized the county is a hot spot for coronavirus and just wants to make sure his employees have enough supplies to keep them and the public safe. Marie?
Today, the Madison County Sheriff's Department will reopen their offices. They'll resume normal business hours. The office will follow CDC guidelines. Lobbies, keep in mind, will be limited to 2 people at a time, and you must maintain a 6-foot distance. Everyone walking in and out of the building must also wear a face covering. You're asked to call before you show up in case your question can be answered over the telephone. And today, we'll hear from Madison and Morgan County leaders on what to expect during the pandemic moving forward. We'll hear from Dr. Pam Hudson from Crestwood Medical Center. Crestwood Hospital said last week they're scheduling elective surgeries, and they're doing so by priority. Now, that news briefing starts at noon. Morgan County Commission Chairman Ray Long will update us on what Decatur and Morgan County is doing. That update at 10 o'clock this morning. Rob?